Welcome to Sydney's Elite Escapes. Luxurious living down under. Sydney, Australia's vibrant and cosmopolitan city, offers a plethora of elite experiences for those seeking luxurious living. From stunning waterfront properties to exclusive underground hideaways, this city has something for everyone. Sydney is renowned for its world-class accommodations that cater to the most discerning travellers. Whether you prefer breathtaking views of the iconic Sydney Harbour or want to immerse yourself in the bustling city life, there are luxurious options available to suit your preferences. For those seeking a truly unique experience, Sydney's underground scene offers an intriguing twist on luxury living. Beneath the surface of this captivating city lies a hidden world of exclusive venues and secret hideaways. From clandestine cocktail bars to opulent speakeasies, these underground destinations provide an intimate and unforgettable setting. Luxury living in Sydney goes beyond just accommodation. The city boasts a thriving culinary scene with award-winning restaurants helmed by renowned chefs. Indulge in delectable cuisine crafted from the freshest local ingredients and paired with exquisite wines from Australia's famed vineyards. Sydney offers an array of high-end shopping experiences that cater to every taste and style. From designer boutiques in luxury shopping precincts to bespoke tailoring services, you can indulge in unparalleled retail therapy during your stay. Sydney's elite escapes offer a gateway into a world of opulence and refinement. Whether you choose to enjoy luxurious waterfront living or explore the hidden treasures of the underground scene, Sydney promises an unforgettable experience for those seeking the best that life has to offer down under. This is where luxurious living meets the vibrant city down under. Sydney, Australia's iconic metropolis, offers a plethora of elite escapes for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and indulgence. From lavish penthouses overlooking the sparkling harbour to hidden underground retreats, Sydney presents a range of opulent accommodations that cater to discerning travellers. Whether you're visiting for business or pleasure, these exclusive havens promise an unforgettable experience. Luxurious living takes centre stage in Sydney, with a myriad of high-end amenities and services tailored to meet the needs and desires of even the most sophisticated guests. Immerse yourself in world-class spas offering rejuvenating treatments, or savor exquisite culinary creations crafted by renowned chefs at gourmet restaurants. Sydney's underground scene adds an exciting twist to elite escapes. Beneath its bustling streets lies a network of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From secret bars tucked away in laneways to speakeasies with an air of mystery, these clandestine venues offer a unique opportunity for exclusivity and intrigue. As you embark on your journey through Sydney's elite escapes, prepare to be captivated by breathtaking views of iconic landmarks such as the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Indulge in unparalleled comfort and sophistication as you immerse yourself in Australia's cosmopolitan capital. Whether you're seeking tranquility by the waterfront or desire an adrenaline-fueled adventure, Sydney's elite escapes provide an unrivaled experience that will leave you enchanted with its luxurious lifestyle beneath down under. Sydney, the vibrant capital city of Australia, offers a plethora of exclusive experiences for discerning travellers seeking opulence and sophistication. From lavish accommodations to indulgent amenities, Sydney's elite escapes redefine luxury living in every aspect. Whether you are looking for a secluded beachside retreat or a glamorous urban oasis, this cosmopolitan city has it all. Experience the epitome of luxury at some of Sydney's most prestigious hotels and resorts. Immerse yourself in exquisite decor, unparalleled service, and breathtaking views that showcase the city's stunning skyline or picturesque harbour. Indulge in an array of gourmet dining options curated by renowned chefs who blend local flavors with international influences. From Michelin-starred restaurants to hidden culinary gems, Sydney offers a gastronomic journey like no other. For those seeking adventure and relaxation simultaneously, explore the underground wonders that lie beneath this vibrant metropolis. Discover secret bars tucked away in hidden alleyways or immerse yourself in a world-class underground spa experience. An escape within an escape. Sydney's elite escapes cater to every discerning traveller's desire for exclusivity and refinement. Whether you seek cultural indulgence through art galleries and theatres or prefer exploring pristine beaches and natural wonders nearby, this Australian gem has something for everyone. Embark on a luxurious journey down under with Sydney's elite escapes and unlock a realm of opulence that will leave you enchanted and longing for more.